Thank you for watching this video first. The goal of our Link's video meeting platform is to transform your meetings with our game-changing widget features. While other meeting platforms keep you stuck in annoying screen shares, our Link lets you monetize and engage like never before. Only with our Link can you drop live clickable links right on screen, no more clunky chat boxes, Yahoo, right? Launch customized clickable call to action buttons mid-meeting for instant conversions, or pop web pages into view without breaking your presentation flow. Let's jump into learning more about our Link's widget features. Once you are logged into your meeting room, navigate to the widget button in the upper right-hand corner of your room. Click to open the widget features. You will see a folder labeled Getting Started with Widgets with a green lock icon beside it. Click to open. You will see a series of educational videos with use case examples for each widget type. This way, you can learn how to set the widgets up for yourself. And after watching this video, you will be able to clone the folder in case you want to use the examples for yourself. As I mentioned earlier, this folder is currently locked. We keep this folder locked to deliver the latest updates. However, you can make a copy that is editable in seconds by simply clicking on Widgets in the top right corner of your meeting room. Click on the folder Getting Started with Widgets with the green lock icon beside it. Hover your mouse over the folder and to the right you will a gray arrow. Click, choose Clone. Boom! You will now see a copy of the folder in your widget area. The only difference between this one and the original is that your copy will not have a locked icon on it, and it will have the word copy added to the folder title. You are ready to edit away. Go forward and customize for your purposes. Click to open the folder, select the drop-down arrow for any widget you want to edit, click Settings, and edit away. Pro tip: copy examples to another folder or modify them directly. Start driving real results with features other meeting platforms can't match. Ready to leave basic video meetings behind?